I've posted photos of me sleeping. I've posted photos of me eating. I've posted photos of me cooking. Do you know that only photos can make you make $100 on a monthly basis? When I'm talking about photos, I mean your own photo, I mean product photo of nature anywhere, as long as it is a clear photo. Now let's dive in and see this calculation. The photos I'm talking about photos on Facebook. Go to my Facebook and see I post photos every day. And I know you're asking yourself, Christine, how will I get $100 from my photos, for any photos that I'm posting? Let's dive in and see. $100, if you want to get it every month, simple way, you'll divide it into 30 days. Into 30 days, if you say you want 100 is in 30 days, it means you are going to be at least posting 66 damn photos on a daily basis. And why do you post 66? That is when we approximate and say every photo should get around $0.05. Is it simple or it's hard? No, it is not hard. Every photo, provided you know the ratio, provided it is clear, requirements, you can make that amount of money. I didn't know all this until I started posting photos. Let me show you something else. So today Facebook happened to send me this, if you can read, do you see where the bar is? That bar shows that my photos on Facebook are giving me more money than any other money. Photos on Facebook rather are giving me more money than any other type of content. We have different types of content. We have reels, we have photos, videos, texts. And for my case, photos take a first position. This content I post, do you care doing this money? Let's dive in. Good morning, welcome back to this mind-blowing video. This video is purposely for educational purpose. I'm using it to show you that you can use this type of content, research. I'm giving you this 10%, add there 90% and start making money. If you know you can do it, okay. If you find it is not doable, no problem with it. But just play around with this information and let's keep rolling. Now you guys, most people don't know that with Facebook, internet, and your smartphone, you can make money. If you go with me on my Facebook channel, the Facebook, if you see today, I've posted more than 7 to 10 photos, but I have a capacity of posting 20 photos per day. Can you do it? Yes, you can do it. Where can you get these photos? As long as photos, can you see? I've posted photos of me sleeping. I've posted photos of me eating. I've posted photos of me cooking, and money at the comfort of your home. And you have a Facebook account or a page. First, you have to meet the threshold, the minimum requirement. Now they have been reduced. At least, even if you have 5,000 followers, with a minimum, at least you're again participating, you're frequent, you're consistent, you can get your monetization. If you know you're working towards it, listen to me well. Post photos frequently and consistently. If you go to see my statistics, the first ranked type of content on top is photos. The second one is videos. For me, the third one is reels, is text. Then the last one is reels. Also, I have stories. But these, someone out there will sit and say, Christine, 0.05 for a photo is small. Come on, it's not small. Let's go and see. Every photo, there is a certain amount, the certain requirements that are involved on it. One, it has to be clear, like the way you can see this video, and not broad. Two, the text supporting it should not go against monetization and community guidelines. Three, you should follow at least best practices, of which best practices you'll find like sharing on the story, on your story, sharing in the groups, You make sure you put the feeling. Are you feeling blessed? Are you feeling thankful, or you're not feeling okay? Then you don't forget to put your location, because your location matters a lot on Facebook. Whenever you say, like, for example, I'm in Sharjah, I always put Sharjah. If you see the check-ins are how many, you find the check-ins are very many, and they're encouraging. So it means you have a likelihood to be checked in your page. Then, without forgetting the hashtags, you guys, most people don't know hashtags. Hashtag is not a matter of putting hashtags, but what about the recommended hashtag and the most searchable hashtag, depending on the niche you're in? One is going to ask me, does Facebook also need niche? Yes, it needs niche. Are you in travel? Are you in cooking? Are you in education? Are you in marriage? What are you, what's your idea more interested in? So that one is going to give you clarity on which photos are you going to post. Now, hold on. I want us to pause and now be straightforward and think. Do you think you can make $100 in a month? Yes, you can. However, it's not a dear darling. Like the way you've had getting 0.05 of the on a photo, wonderful, is wonderful. So you have to follow the should I call them rules? No, you have to follow the policies and know. And when you enter into it, when you start, you learn more every day. You learn every day. Our life is content itself. I didn't know. You might be among the people like how I used to be before. When I would see someone posting the food on Facebook, I don't go to sit and ask myself, why are they posting? Without knowing, these people are making money. When I see them posting funny things, especially most of you love to see those ugly moments. Your eyes, your viewer average ratio remains on that photo because you want to see exactly what's there. And that person is cashing out. Let's come to ourselves now, to our community. Do you think we can make money? Yes, we can make money. I can sit at the comfort of my home like this and see and start making money. Are you organizing your fridge? Okay, hold on. I know some of you are going to say, Christine, we don't have content. It is going to be finished. No way. Repetition, as far as there's not the same photo is concerned, it is allowed. When do I mean repetition? Posting your photo eating, provided today you've eaten breakfast, you can get 3 to 4 photos from there, different angles. If you see this content, how is it content? Start from your kitchen. The only pro tip I really tell you, don't bring outside social media some things that are going to be thrown into your face in future. Note this and really be careful. A day, you're going to make a fridge photos, like 30 of them, but different messages. Now, can we go and start making money with our photos? Yes, we can. Even me, as I'm talking, I'm rushing to go and take a photo of this.